This is crappy.
Stay away, kid. Liam, get over here.
Look how crappy it is. Look. Look
Don't
at my
go by
phone.
that.
Look at my phone here. Look how crappy it is. Look at.
Stay away.
I have like 3 of them right now. We're taking 4 with my black laptop, but not now. This is crappy. This is a fireworks show. This is so crappy. You guys want to look at this view? Come on, I'm recording. Holy!
They're not working as good as the first one.
Okay, someone go and knock on my mom's door so I can get sick of mosquitoes off of my butt teeth. Mosquitoes are always attacking me and they're sticking me. Mom, can you go upstairs in my bedroom and get my bracelets? Because I'm getting swarmed by mosquitoes. This is a sucky camera. People gotta pay attention good for this. Oh my gosh, I can't see them whatsoever. That is so crappy. Mom, this is crappy. This camera, look at the moon. It just blew it out. And I can't even see Zane or Zane's father or anything like that. Look how crappy. I'm staring right at them and they're so skinny. I know. But I don't care.
Oh, why am I putting it blue? And by the way, I don't have a new voice box. Good, send it down. No, it's not June.
I know, I'm saying good day.
Wait, I think what are they doing?
They're setting it up.
There's one more word.
Mom, Mother.
Ready, look.
That's a firecracker. Someone's right on the Segway there.
That's Logan.
Goodbye, Logan.
Wait, look. Oh my God! Stuck in space. Can you believe that? One went too far, so it got stuck in space. Getting mad.
Does this work? No, it doesn't.
Where?
Okay, now I can see them. They look like ghosts. They literally look like ghosts. So look, now it's on the. Oh, that's a good.
Oh, dang.
That kid's being bad. Bad boy.
Fallon. That was me.
What do you do?
Okay, that's the family's gonna die.
Fallon!
Stop it, Fallon. And technically I'm recording, so technically you're saying his name. Now stop following them, Fallon. Okay, all the mosquitoes are attacking me. Shh. Good Lord.
Let's get up fireworks.
Jesus, God,
Really? I'm gonna get eaten by mosquitoes. I'm swarmed by them. Was that it, Zane?
No.
Hey, Zane's dad. Oh, that just looks ugly. No offense, this camera sucks. This camera's bad.
Doing fireworks.
Start doing fireworks, other people. Alright.
That is crap. His stepdad and my dad are gonna bring out fireworks.
You're done saying, Dad?
Maya, you see that?
So I recorded that.
I think you meant sparklers, Breezy.
What? You want to see this? Look at that. Look how crap that is. You can tell. It's really
That looks
bad.
like a scary movie.
No, I couldn't. My camera could not focus. It, like, when you were doing that, you can only
Yeah.
see the fireworks. You just can't see you guys. You two are gone.
Yeah.
So it's like black out. So you look like ghosts.
Yeah. Way back up here for this thing's loud as hell. We need to be there.
Recording! Oh, nice job using a bottle.
Yeah, here, let him on. Come here. Maya, come here.
One question, Zane's dad. Put a put a size firework in there, and then just slide it off and then see what the heck happens.
Let it go in there?
Yeah.
No, don't
It's
be
some-
fighting, guys. Come on now. Quit. Then stop.
No
Oh, it's-
fighting.
no, we gotta go inside.
Hey! No. Put do not hit me in the boot cooch. No.
My turn!
No.
Zany, come on, Maya. Let's go.
I'm recording this, little one. Stop. 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 I'm gonna kick you. I'm gonna... Yo. Oh, you guys are gone.
Nobody wants to stand close enough to grab them as they hand them.
Hello. Kid, pull my pants down.
Keep the sparkler away from other people. Ronan, get off the porch. Fallon, stay away from the baby.
Oh yeah, well, Roland did pull my pants down.
Yeah, it's so fun.
He pulled my pants
Did
down.
you swat him?
What?
Did you swat him?
No.
Next time he does that, just kind of swat him.
Alright.
Here, give it here,
This is
Liam.
a bad camera.
Ronan, bring it here. Ronan, stay away from the fire. Walk around it. Oh my God, burn yourself, please. Figure it out.
And set
please.
yourself on fire. And die.
Mine won't even burn out. Let's do this.
Yesterday, day before, maybe. You listened better then.
I'm doing
Get it away from your face.
Dude, you gotta kill. Well, technically, you gotta kill yourself. Can you? I
I don't know, but one of these days, they're just really gonna mess themselves up, and I'm not gonna feel bad for them. All right, if you belong in my house, in my house. Yeah, in. It's dark. You in. No.
And bye, kid. Let's do it. Is that it, you guys? Is that all of it? David, call you Davy. Was that all it? Oh, you're visible. Holy. Bye.